Good boy. Good boy, Zig. Target. Zig, target. Target. Good boy. Here. Have some. Target. Ziggy, target. Target. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Zig. Ziggy, target. Hey, Ziggy, target. Target. Good boy. You just want mommy? Aw, honey. You just want mommy? You just want mommy? You just want to snuggle? Okay. We can do that. You're a pretty birdie. Where are you going? Where's you going? Who's that pretty bird in there? Who's that pretty birdie? And the kisses. Such a good boy. Night night. You're going night night. Look at your pretty hair. Look at your pretty hair. Let me see. Look at your pretty hair. Oh, look at your pretty hair. Hey. Love you too, baby. Loves you too. Loves him too. Oh, baby boy. Ziggy birdie. Look at your pretty hair. Look at your pretty hair. So pretty feathers. They got pretty feathers. Got pretty feathers. Want a treat? Look. Look. Have a treat. Oh, you just want me to rub your head. Okay. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're such a good boy. Look, who's that, Zig? Who's that? Who's that monkey? Who's that little monkey? Who's that? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where's Ziggy going? Where's my Ziggy going? Oh, you coming up? Can you step up? Good boy. Good boy. 2 kisses. Oh, come here, baby. Kiss mommy. Oh, loves you. Loves you. 2 kisses. Good boy. Ziggy, who's that? That's you. That's you. Look at that pretty bird. Oh my goodness, who's that pretty birdie? Pretty bird. Look at this. Ziggy bird, look. Who's that? Who's that? Are you scared? You just want mommy? Oh, come here then. Come here then.